Forex trading involves risk and may not be suitable for all investors.
Putting it all together. Before we put together this managed Forex service, we asked ourselves, if we were in the client's shoes, what would it take for us to move forward? Well, number one, complete transparency. To know what's happening with your money is extremely important. By having your account held at a reputable, regulated, and highly capitalized broker and being able to monitor it, transparency is definitely yours. After transparency, liquidity is important. It's important to have the ability to take out all of your funds without any fees except a small $25 wire fee. And this gives you the flexibility you need in case there's an emergency, in case you need to utilize your money for something different, and you can get it back quickly. Number three, proper risk management. It's an essential element because without good money management, even the best trader will not be profitable. Number four, diversification. By utilizing multiple strategies and multiple currencies, we increase our odds for being profitable consistently. Number five, a solid track record of consistently profitable results is very important, including a multi-year history and the ability to control risk, losses, and periods of drawdown. And finally, a balanced approach. Too many money managers trade only with either a fundamental or technical focus when it comes to trading. By taking both into account when trading, we once again increase our odds for success. Putting these 6 main points together, transparency, liquidity, risk management, diversification, a solid track record, and a balanced approach, gives you and us the tools to be consistently profitable.